Imagine earning your first $1,000 a month online, not from freelancing or selling products, but from a simple website that runs mostly on autopilot. That's what's possible with AI Niche Site Blueprint. This system shows you exactly how to build a profitable niche website step by step, even if you've never built one before. You'll start by finding profitable, low competition niche using the blueprint's research process. Then, with a built in AI automation app, your site gets set up automatically, complete with SEO tools, optimized content, and regular posts that keep your site ranking and growing. Once traffic starts rolling in, you'll learn how to monetize it through affiliate offers, display ads, or pay per call programs, giving you multiple income streams from one site. What makes it powerful is the automation. The AI handles 90% of the work, so you can focus on scaling instead of struggling. If you're ready to hit your first $1,000 per month online, AI Niche Site Blueprint gives you the proven roadmap and automation tools to make it happen. Click the link in the description to start building your first AI powered niche